Hello and welcome to the Thorny Motorsport Deal login page for the International McLaren Specialist. You've been given a username and a password to access the system, so loop into these now and access the system itself. They are limited to 15 minutes, so they will log you out, and also the single person only. So if someone else logs in, you'll get logged out. Once logged in, it will bring you up to the main homepage for the dealer page. You'll see 4 items: technical documentation, customer database, parts, and news, and also a link to our YouTube site where we're putting more videos and technical features for you. There's all the links on top as well on the top menu bar. Customer database, this will be your main page where you have 2 sections. One is the customer cars that you already have entered or we have entered for you, and additional add new cars. In this demonstration, we've had 1 car here entered here. We've done the demonstration, and you go and click that. As you can see, as a car pick is created, get a number and it brings the page up. This is the main communication page we have with our dealers. It's literally an online conversation. You enter the question and the details you have in the box and we can reply straight away. The conversation is live all the way through, so you can see the conversation through, and it's stored. So you can see how the information has been passed to and from. You can ask any questions you have about the car. You can add attachments as well if you need to send to us, and vice versa. But this is the main communication process with us. First off, when a car comes in, you'll do an inspection. Now here is the online inspection sheet. This is essentially a replica of the entire inspection sheet used by McLaren dealers, electronically created. So what you have is a yes/no inspection of the entire aspects of the car that we need to see. This records the system, gives any details and issues that you find as the car comes in. This enables us to understand the data of what happens with the car, and the same as you. All information is recorded into the system so we can see what the car is like on every element. Now you can print this off and then fill it in and enter it secondly, but we do it electronically, and it works on all mobile devices as well as on PCs. Once all connected and pushed through, press save at the end, and that will record the data and save to that car pack with that car you have come in. Next thing, you go to picture storage. Now, we obviously very important to take lots of pictures of these cars. We take over 70, all angles, suspension, brakes, any oil seals, etc., and they're uploaded to a Google Drive. It's a secure drive shared between yourselves and us only, but we do recommend you take a link and send it to your customers so they can see their own car details. That information enables us to look at cars, and we can advise then what may or may not doing on the car, and also what tricks and issues you may find to try and make sure it's resolved. They're stored by the customer type and also by the VIN number. After that, with technical documentation. Now this, obviously, when it coming with the car pack, will automatically download the right pack for that car, the example of 720S, and every aspect of the technical documentations of the car is included with the system. It gives all instructions how to look at them. What you can do is download it and then obviously increase the size and obviously go through different pages. You can also access the technical documentation via the main menu, which is obviously by different models. So you can basically pick the model that you want to look at, click select, and it will give you options on what you can use in terms of documentation. Now also, it also includes things like parts, any service parts you may need per document. The documents aside, it's split into 2. You have obviously the inspection sheets. Now inspection sheets you can download and print off. Obviously some technicians like to be writing things by hand when they're around a car, so this enables you to download the right inspection sheet, what needs to be done, download it and print it off, and then you can then use that to inspect the car and see what needs to be done on the service to make sure nothing is missed. Obviously this enables you have to look at the information, work out which service it is, and then obviously go from there, which of course we can help with the process. Other aspects of the car are completely all included, so every aspect of the car itself is included under the system. So everything from wiring looms to assemblies to chassis work is all there, all done with a model number. And obviously you go through the page, hit next page. You can also expand and contract the picture to make it larger and smaller. And this works on iPhones, it works on Google devices, it works on any operating system, and also on PCs. So it means you have a tablet by you that has the entire documentation you need for that car to work on, and includes all the instructions, all the times, and all respective details you'll need to work on each model. Finally, once all that's concerned, we also have direct links into parts. Now we recommend you get your parts from your local dealership, but we also ship parts around the world, so if you need any parts, just contact us and we can ship straight out with discounted parts prices for you as a dealership. Hope that's useful.